Okay, so grade A, we're going to look at the second part of two-way tables now. So we're looking at some tables here. Favorite sport of boys, people surveyed, 24 for volleyball, 18 for golf, 49 for football. Favorite sport of girls, 36 for volleyball, 22 for golf, 21 for football. What's happening here in the second video for this lesson? For each sport, what percent of the students in the survey are male? What percent of the students are female? Organize the results in a two-way table. So you're actually going to need to make a two-way table. And it's going to be talking about what percent of the students in the survey are male, female. Organize the results in a two-way table. So first of all, we come over here to our blank one. We want to make a two-way table. So first of all, we're going to title it Favorite Sport. All right, and then, okay, so we go, okay, favorite sport. We're going to have volleyball. Then we're going to have golf. Then we're going to have football. All right, and so we're going to make a column. We want to be very organized with what we're doing. Okay. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to say, okay, boys, girls, and then we're going to go ahead and we have our two-way table. We have it going this way, we have it going this way, and it's talking about percents, okay? And so what it wants here, okay, is it wants us to say, okay, let's look at volleyball. There were 24 boys that picked volleyball, 36 girls that picked volleyball. If I were to add 36 plus 24 together, 36 plus 24 would equal 60. All right, and so then I know, well, the 36 is going to be 36 out of 60, and the 24 is going to be 24 out of 60. Then I go to the golf, and it's going to be 18, which is how many boys selected golf, plus 22. 18 plus 22 equals 40. So for the golf, we're going to have 22 out of 40. And for the golf for the boys, we're going to have 18 out of 40. Then we're going to take football, which is the 49 plus 21. So we're going to say 21 plus 49. I would add that together, and you can use your calculator as you need to, but some of it might be mental math. It's going to be 70. So football for the girls is going to be 21 out of 70. Football for the boys is going to be 49 out of 70. All right, so now I got to figure out percentages. Okay, so 24 out of 60. So I'm going to come here to my calculator. 24 out of 60 is going to be 24 divided by 60, because I turn it into a decimal, and that's 0.4. If I were to move that 0.4 once, twice to the right, that's going to be 40% of the people who selected volleyball were boys. It's got to be a total of 100%. So I know that 60% of those who selected volleyball were girls. For golf, we look at 18 out of 40. So I'm going to take 18 and I'm going to divide that by 40. That's going to equal 0.45. So I'm going to go over twice. That's going to be 45% if I move the decimal 2 places to the right, turning a decimal into a percent. 45% of those who selected golf were boys. 55% of those who selected golf were girls. Football, 49 out of 70, 21 out of 70. So if I continue plugging in the boys' number, 49 divided by 70, that equals 0.7. If I were to move that decimal once, twice, you'd have an empty spot with a 0. So for those that selected football, 70% of them were boys. For those that selected football then to make 100, 30% were boys. So once again, how did we get this second number? Well, we subtracted it from 100. 100 minus 70 is 30. 100 minus 45 is 55. 100 minus 40 is 60. And here we have a two-way table. All right, we'll talk to you later, grade 8. Bye.